Welcome to St Catherine's Head Talks. Last week we looked at the physical effects anxiety has on the body. Today we're going to look at what we can do to calm our physical symptoms using breathing and mindfulness. This head talk will only begin to scratch the surface of this large topic, but it will act as an introduction. From here you can pursue some resources yourself. The point of breathing and mindfulness is to focus the mind much more on being rather than doing. When we're stressed or anxious, we can wear ourselves out overthinking situations or worrying about what might happen or running over situations in our minds again and again. The breath is always with us and can be a tremendously useful tool if we use to learn it effectively. Now, if you've not done any before, breathing exercises can feel a bit odd and make you feel self-conscious. So it's best to practice them when you're by yourself in a comfortable place with the body supported well by lying down or in a chair with a high back where you can rest your head. The first exercise is called balloon and bubbles. This is to practice how to breathe correctly for relaxation. Usually, if we take a big breath in, we see our chest and shoulders rise, but we need to make the breath deeper if it's to have an effect on relaxation. We're going to try that now. Put both your hands on your tummy, the bit below your waist. Take a big breath in, imagining that you're inflating a big balloon in your tummy. And then to deflate the balloon, blow slowly and gently, as if you were blowing bubbles. Try and make the outward breath longer than the inward breath. This is vital at keeping hold of oxygen for longer and getting rid of all the carbon dioxide. These two things help to relax the body. So let's try that again. A big breath in, slowly inflating that balloon, and then slowly blow outwards for longer. Practicing this for 10 breaths will be a good start. Perhaps pause the video now to have a go and keep your focus on the breath going into and out of the body and on how your hands are moving upwards and then downwards on your tummy. The mindful aspect of this is putting our focus on what's happening to the breath. The second exercise is called finger breathing. If you're right-handed, hold your left hand up in front of you, palm facing your face, and splay your fingers outwards. If you're left-handed, hold your left hand up. Now with your opposite hand, take your index finger and trace from the base of the thumb up the side of the thumb and down towards the base of the first finger. Up the first finger, across the top, and slowly down the other side to the gap. Up towards the top of the middle finger, and so on, until you finish at the base of the little finger. We're going to combine that now with breathing. So this time, as you move your finger upwards, breathe in, inflate that balloon, and as you move the finger downwards, breathe out, blow the bubbles slowly. So we breathe in, trace up to the top of the thumb, and slowly breathe out, trace the finger downwards. Breathe in, finger to the top of the index finger, and breathe out towards the gap. Breathe in, trace the finger upwards, and breathe out, trace the finger down. Breathe in, trace the finger up, breathe out, and trace the finger downwards. Lastly, breathe in to the top of the little finger and breathe out to the base of the finger. The mindful aspect of this exercise is focusing on the tickly feel of the finger moving up and down the hand, the sound of the skin against skin, and watching the movement of the hands together as you breathe. The third exercise in this session is a short mindfulness exercise, which I'm going to read to you now. Remember, you can come back to any of these exercises and practice them again. They take practice to get used to, so be patient with yourself. So if you're not already sitting or lying down in a place you feel comfortable with, do that now. And as you relax onto the surface that you're sitting or lying on, begin by bringing your attention to the physical feel of your body. Close your eyes if that's comfortable for you. And notice your body in contact with the surface beneath you. Feel the weight of your body on the chair, floor or bed. Take a deep breath in. Slowly inflate that imaginary balloon and then very slowly out, blowing gently and more slowly. Take a deep breath in and out. Now take a few more breaths in and out at your own pace. As you breathe in, bring in more oxygen to enliven the body. And as you exhale, have a sense of relaxing more deeply. Continue to breathe in this way. Now notice your feet on the floor or the bed. Notice the sensations of your feet touching the floor, all parts of your feet, the weight, the pressure, any heat or even pain, and just allow it to be as it is. You can notice your legs against the chair or bed, the pressure, pulse, heaviness or lightness. Notice your back against the chair or bed. Bring your attention into your stomach area. If your stomach is tense or tight, let it soften. Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, notice the stomach feeling more relaxed. Notice your hands. Are your hands tense or tight? See if you can allow them to soften on the out-breath. Notice your arms. Feel any sensation in your arms and let your shoulders be soft. Notice your neck and throat. Let them be soft and relax. Now soften your jaw. Let your face and facial muscles be soft. Then notice the whole body and take one more deep breath and out. Sooner or later your mind will wander. This is fine and it's what our minds do. Just register where the mind has wandered to, don't worry about where it's gone, and gently bring your attention back to the breath. Feeling the breath in and out of the body, relaxing on each breath out. And be aware of the whole body as best you can, from head to toe. Use these stretches of silence to continue taking more relaxing breaths by yourself now. If the mind wanders, just practice bringing it back. Now bring your attention back to the sounds around you, in the room, the voices you might be able to hear. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you for listening. There are lots more mindfulness and breathing apps available, such as Headspace, Calm, Breathe, or exercises on YouTube. Why not have a browse to see if you can find something that works for you? Alternatively, Google Mindfulness script and perhaps record one of your own. Take care and remember, we can learn to manage our mental health. Goodbye.